Crisp golden brown bread every time. The Chicago metallic perforated baguette pan bakes 2 loaves at a time. The air circulates freely around dough, creating crisp, golden brown crust. Superior heat conduction and even baking. This pan is made from heavyweight aluminized steel for superior heat conduction and even baking. Non-stick pan. This deep dish pizza pan is diamond quality and has non-stick dual coating. Measurements. This pan measures at 16 by 8. Dishwasher safe. This pan is dishwasher safe, however hand washing is recommended to extend product life. Chicago Metallic has built an unmatched reputation as the bakeware experts by delivering commercial quality, high-performance products employing premium materials and construction. Chicago Metallic is proud to introduce Commercial 2, a top-of-the-line assortment of bakeware. Offering both traditional uncoated and dual-coated, diamond-quality non-stick bakeware, the Commercial 2 line provides the strength and durability to craft delectable results day after day. The entire line is made of heavyweight aluminized steel for superior heat conduction and even baking results. Each Chicago Metallic Commercial 2 non-stick piece features a dual-coated, diamond-quality, non-stick coating for easy release of food and easy cleanup. This collection is dishwasher safe, however hand washing is recommended to extend the product life. This Chicago Metallic Commercial 2 non-stick perforated French bread pan allows air to flow freely around the bread to create golden brown crusts. It measures 16 by 8 inch and bakes 2 loaves at a time. Top reviews from the United States. These were absolutely everything I expected and more. These make the perfect loaves of French bread and are super easy to clean. I'd used on power wash, and may or may not come back immediately, but in all probability I let them soak in it 4+ times the suggested amount of time because I have 8 other tasks I'm also trying to accomplish and remember that I'm even doing at the same time. Mind ya business, and when I come back they simply rinse clean with hot water. They look as brand new after 10+ uses as they did the day they were delivered. It could be that the quality is amazing. It could be that procrastination pays off. Likely though, it is a combination of the two. I do recommend 10 out of 10.